Let's talk about how a solid SEO process can actually move your business forward.
So let me ask you, are your SEO efforts really generating actual business results?
Random SEO tasks just get you random results. A structured process, that's built for growth.
That's exactly why Dakshraj Enterprise uses a proven workflow to build your search presence.
It all boils down to our 5-step growth process, where every step is tied to your goals.
So where do we start?
Well, you've got to begin with a solid foundation, right?
First up, we review your website, your competition, and where you currently stand online.
This shows us what's holding you back and pinpoints your absolute best opportunities to win.
Next, we map keywords to what your customers are actually searching for online. Getting this right is key. It ensures your content connects with the right people.
Okay, with a content plan set, we then get your website's technical health in top shape.
Things like better page speed and mobile design, they directly improve the user experience.
All right, next we focus on building trust, both with search engines and your local customers.
This is all about proving to search engines that your website is credible and relevant.
We do this by optimizing your Google business profile and getting quality backlinks.
Finally, we track everything. SEO is not a set-it-and-forget-it kind of deal.
And you know what? This process works. We've seen clients get a 145% jump in qualified leads.
The result is steady, measurable growth in the organic traffic that actually matters.
See, SEO is an ongoing investment in your business, driving real long-term success. At Dakshraj Enterprise, we turn online visibility into measurable business growth. That's the focus.